We're about to race each other on the world's only racing mountain coaster. I'm about to win. Maybe, we'll see.
We'll see.
But we're gonna show you what this ride is like as we go over the ride weight and height restrictions. Can you ride with 2 people? What's the ride itself like as we bring you all the way up to the top and go through 2 laps on this coaster all the way to the bottom to see who wins. I'm excited and terrified at the same time. But we're gonna try to do it. I'm gonna try to get on and do my best to beat you.
You can do it, but you won't beat me.
So without further ado, let the adventure begin. So the Pigeon Forge Racing Coaster is complete. The track itself is ready for a coaster ride or race in this situation. It's a very unique mountain coaster here in the Smokies as you're able to race against someone. So again, the goal is to try to beat Brie on this brand new coaster. It officially opens on June 20th. Just a heads up, if you're seeing some things that don't look complete on this particular video, it's because this is just a little soft opening run. They're gonna be doing a lot more to get this place looking even much better than it is right now. But let's go inside real quick. When you first come in, you'll be able to get your ticket over here to the right. We'll go over how much tickets cost in just a moment. Here's all your standard ride operation info, which I just want to point out, you are able to control your speed on this mountain coaster. Once you have your tickets, you're going to head up the stairs. You can see it says drivers, start your engines. So as we head up top, we're going to load on the coaster and try it out. But first, let's talk about ticket prices.
For adults tickets, going to be $21.99 plus tax. For youth tickets, teen would be $15.99 plus tax. Kids between 3 and 6 years old, at least 38 inches tall to ride, will be riding for free. So the little kids, we let them ride for free. They have to ride with an adult, but you only have to pay for adult tickets and youth tickets.
Any discounts you offer?
We're planning discounts for locals. We are planning discounts for military and service members, including firefighters, police. We are also doing coupons. There will be local coupon books with $2 off.
How tall do you have to be to ride by yourself?
You have to be 56 inches tall to ride by yourself.
Do you want to go over the safety rules with us?
Yes, let's have a seat in the coaster and we talk about the safety. Perfect. Okay, put your seatbelt on, it's your left shoulder. So it's just like a normal mountain coaster. Passengers, the driver sits in the back person controls the speed, okay? So you see you have 2 handles to your left and to your right. That's how you control the speed. You can have a passenger sitting with you. Has to be, there's a combined weight limit of 375 pounds. So it's more like for family of mom and the kid eventually, not really necessarily for 2 adults. While you get pulled up on the mountain, that's when you can relax because the cable is pulling you to the top. Once you reach the very top, you cannot miss it. A big sign that says, start your engines, red lights on the side. Once you get to the very top, you push your handles all the way forward and that starts your ride. If you feel like you want to slow down, you can absolutely slow it down. You just put it back a little bit. Okay. I recommend going full speed. It's 100% safe going full speed. There's no need to slow down if you don't want to, okay?
Yeah, and I want to beat Ryan, so I do need to go
Yes, we want to beat Ryan 100%, yes. So we need to go fast.
Yes.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go, have fun.
I'm beating you. I'm beating you. Uh-oh, he pulled ahead.
I've got the lead right now.
You may have got a head start, but I'm gonna catch you. And Brie pulls up from behind. Start your engines.
Uh-oh, she's catching up to me. They did tell us that this initial start, one's a little faster than the other, but they even up here at the end. I guess we're about to find out. We should have a pretty equal start.
See you at the bottom.
Oh, I got the inside track though.
Oh, you do.
Here we go.
Oh, it's a great view up here.
Oh no. She's jumped ahead of me.
I think I'm pulling ahead, guys.
I've got the throttle all the way down. Whoa.
Woo, this is fun.
Oh, oh, wow. Oh, the view is awesome. Oh, catching up.
I was waiting for you.
Oh, it slowed me down. I think you got lap 1 on me.
I think so.
All right, let's see if I can beat you on lap 2 here.
Wait a second. Why are you so far ahead of me?
She's catching up on me here.
See ya. Bye.
Go,
See ya.
go, go. Oh no. We're neck and neck.
Not for long,
Oh
baby.
no. It's all gonna come down to the finale here.
I'm going full throttle.
I've got the inside track, so I have an advantage at the top. It does kind of pull the right side along a little faster to the top.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh. He's catching up, guys.
Oh, this is fun.
This is fun.
Oh, neck and neck. So I'm up a little higher, she's down a little lower. As we come up to the top, this next section has a little bit of a higher ride along the parkway. So I don't know how fast I'm gonna go. I guess we'll find out here. All
See ya.
right. Oh no, there she goes. The view up here is incredible. I got it all the way down. She's got a good lead on me here. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, she's got me beat big time. Oh, here we go. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, hey guys. Whoa. Coming up here by the sign. We are way over the parkway. Whoa, we've got some height. This is really high. Okay, I'm not going full throttle here. Oh, wow. Yeah, you definitely have height on this one. Okay. Wait, do I still have you? Wait, I think I won.
No way!
Oh. Oh, that was awesome. A lot of fun.
That was great. I want to do it again. Yeah.
I don't know how that worked out, but I somehow beat you.
No, I totally beat you. I was in, and then my car just went really, really slow, and I couldn't get it to go any faster.
So I think we got the sun is coming out a little bit more, so I think we should have a rematch, but switch sides. I'll take the right side, you take the left side, and we'll see who can win best of 2.
Sounds good.
All right, round 2, here we go.
I'm gonna beat you again.
We'll see. I really like doing the left side of the coaster. Curious to see what the right side is like, which I'm gonna get a little bit further out onto the parkway, a little bit higher, I think. Why am I not catching up like she was catching up to me? There we go, there we go, there we go. All right. Sun's out. Turned out to be a nice little day here now that rain passed. And just like I'm about to pass Brie.
Not for long. Not for long.
What's our wager on this race here?
I think
massage?
a foot massage. Yeah.
All right. Winner's getting a foot massage tonight. We got skin in the game. See if I can improve my initial lap 1. Last time she got me. Oh,
Okay.
The view is great from up here. All right, start your engines. Here we go. Throttle all the way down on this first lap. She's got a little advantage there. Oh, now I'm on the inside.
Oh, no.
There we go. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, I don't see her behind me. I think I got lap
Gotta
one.
pull ahead on the inside
I'm easing
here.
off a little bit. Oh, she's got the inside track now. Oh no, there she is! Oh no, she just passed me. But I'm back on the inside. We kind of swerve in and out, inside, outside. I'm back on the inside. Oh, oh, it's slowing me down right here.
I think you got lap one that time.
Oh, she just jumped ahead of me again.
But you won't be ahead for long.
This is great. I love this. Oh, my feet are sore. I'm looking forward to massage tonight.
You wish.
All right. Final lap.
Why are you ahead of me? Catching up, catching up.
All right, we're almost to the very top. You can see all the way down the parkway and Pigeon Forge as we make this turn. We'll give her a second to catch up, make it a fair race. Give her a... You coming? All right.
I'm full
All
throttle.
right, now, wait, no, I slowed down too much. No, go, go, go. I was trying to
Bye.
make sure you could
Bye.
start at the same time. Oh no. Oh, she's got me. Oh, I am in so much trouble here. Oh. Oh. Oh, hey guys. Great job on the coaster. Whoa! Whoa, this is the part that I go way over the, oh, much more than the other side. Okay, I'm dishing out a foot massage tonight. She's got me. Oh, I'm done. Oh, right side is definitely a little more thrilling. Oh. She got me. Oh, that was awesome. Yeah, right side.
Yes.
Definitely more thrilling.
How was it again?
Great.
What side do you like better? They're both pretty good.
They're both good.
We're waiting here for like an hour. Where have you been?
Hey, tortoise in the hair. So they're still doing some final touches. They don't have it out right now, but they will eventually have a screen when you come in to show your time versus the time of the person that you raced, whether you're in the left or right side. So the question is, do you like the right or left side better?
They were both amazing. There's a really nice view from the left side. Both have great views, but the left has this one really spectacular view. But I would say the right was a little more fun and thrilling. So I think I lean toward the right side.
I think I'm a left side rider, as I was a little more comfortable going around that one turn where you go out almost, I mean, you feel like you're over the parkway on that second lap. So it's a lot of fun. I can do either side, but if you're a little hesitant of heights, I would maybe try to get on that left side. But we're excited to actually come back and do a night ride as they're putting up lots of lights all around the track. So I'm curious to see what it's like to do a race at night. I guess we'll have to have a rematch since you did win the foot massage for tonight.
Winner, winner, foot massage after dinner.
A big thank you to Pigeon Forge Racing Coaster for having us out to try out the new coaster. It's a lot of fun. We wanted to thank one of our subscribers with a free coaster pass. Just simply leave a comment on this video with Pigeon Forge Racing Coaster. We'll pick somebody at random on an upcoming live stream and send you a free coaster ride. In fact, I think we should send them two so you can bring somebody with you and you both can ride, because that's, I think, one of the coolest things about this coaster is the competitive element. I think you can come here by yourself and have a good ride and enjoy it, but it's a lot more fun to kind of have that competitive back and forth all the way up and all the way down. One other thing I wanted to point out real quick is that I just checked the camera footage and it was a little over 5 minutes for that last ride that I did. That is going to depend on how fast or slow you go. So I think you were a little faster than me on that last one.
Closer to 5 minutes.
But again, if you're nervous about going too fast, you can control your speed the entire way down. So if I can do it, you can do it.
That was a really fun coaster, I have to say, and it was even more fun beating you.
Well, we hope this video has been helpful or enjoyable. If it was, simply hit that like button before you leave. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time,
We'll see you on the next adventure.